Alright, I was here for Nyamisha Bibia. Aha, I Ghana Sim TV. You best say, you best subscribe to the channel. Now, move farmer doing Cherebra, I will comment section. We better turning on the notifications and be anytime video of this nature about you'll be the first person to know. Nyamisha, you know.
Kubango, we bet me I Ghana. We a sichiro, you bet me a free that bang. And honorable Canada Pong whom say, Sandy bit me. You see, one of the reasons why in Tia and Crawford said honorable Canada Pong are falling out with Dr. Baumian Nitimani said, yeah, bear Ghana card no. No, Kofa Indian for Abba say, yeah, for Ghana card contract and Emma Womunye. There was a Ghanaian owned company. I have friend say Margin Group.
I'll bet me.
Na Margin Groups no, omo an Margin Group no, omo expertise no. It was so crossing the Indian company. But Honorable Canada Japan was insisting, say, you have a Ghana card contract, no, and man enough for India. And because of such a contract in Wenyanti, you who call the Ura Tefa Efaso, a woman from Nile Tuti.
In fact, Obayano, that is some meeting, no. Now a institutional representation.
Yes.
Now institutional representation, no. Nana Kufuado, Enya appointee, head of institutional heads. Eti woman a bass I meet in Ibino, or Munina, you woman than Jomahama, and I point to woman. Yes. Eti honorable Canada Pong Koya, who said, or me and this for the wolf, and I was so a Canada and then Dr. Baumium. And I miss Debbie said, so will be attacking the dear. And there should be the president because one you move through 10 people into me, Matt.
I was here, it's in Ukraine, ye catcher was saying. Oh, and now Honorable Canada Pong, Nam Kita, away a coconut sugar. You bet me no Ghana.
Never say I want to put that
out there, neighbor. Where a coconut sugar, we bet me no Ghana. Where a corn oil, you bet me no Ghana. Pacho, Honorable Canada Pong, oh, Cassa walk can, Rebecca say, oh, me say, I'm putting it on record, say. Abria MPP are buying by power. Na ye bear Ghana card no. Honorable Canada Japan, Ecofa and the partners Indian for the mobile say. Ye for contract no Emma Indian for enye.
Abana margin.
Abria na Ghana company, ye friend Margin Group. I have been to their company. I have been there. Me who am expertise. A world class company. Na or say ye may ma Ghanaian owned company no. Ye ma the foreign company, ye Indian company. Na Kufuado aban say Dabi Ghana card near the baby be our Ghana. Ye de be banking transaction, ye de be voters ID card, ye de be say base it yent me fast as data no enfa ma hwoho. So bi betimi na Ghana ha. Ona kan je pum muri na tikokum. O se na tikwapai.
That is the beginning of the end.
Odi kan atefa and Baumia Faso, and no men or contest president because Odi Dr. Baumia ya say, what Dr. Baumia penny me for contract no I'm money India for. But not the what myself the way I come or you bet me no Ghana, where you coconut sugar bet me no Ghana, where you bet me no Ghana. Abria now what to me, eh? Na abino, what Cassana abino who was so no. Now what G abino munuma and Yamaho.
What 1D1 if
1.2 billion.
Yeah, that's good.
1.2 billion.
A balance again.
1.2 billion. Hey. 1.2 Ghana Sikapa. 1.2 billion.
Are we looking at efficiency, competence, and
rubbish?
Oh, with this
the word is
modern technology.
Modern technology. You are talking to a population of 30 million.
No, all you there.
1.2 billion. Now who see will be at the 1.2 billion Eco Bank of Ghana. Who can want them into the other 4 million here. Now a do MPP swap so now 1.2 billion also there. When I'm not a kind also better the food. This man is now saying say and you sabotage. When he met and confirmed was late, building no more because you what NDC for one apart from one chance. Or say me ma confirm India for Benti. And I may say woman. Me na nana kind. Also but you play the fool.
More yeah bidding.
Yeah, yes. I brought Indians. Me a businessman.
No one want Jahi. So that we advocate for it.
And you're very cheap. They were not even asking for $50 million. Why? So why are you telling 1.2 billion? Are you mad? Are you mad?
Assemble baby.
1.2 billion? Ghana here. NDC and
$50 million.
Yes, I'm catching.
As against 1.2 billion.
Are you out of your mind? Are you out of your mind? What do you mean?
But probably your $50 million was not going to do
the efficiency. Mema company, a renowned company in the world. There are 2 companies in India with a population of 1.2 billion. The northern sector and the southern sector. For the southern sector for 600 million people. Can you compare that to 30 million for you to tell me they are not competent? Then they were willing to take 50 million and you 1.2 billion. Are you out of your mind? I serve my country. I don't serve any political party. Case closed. I serve Ghana. I don't serve any political party. For you to come and tell us 1.2 billion. 1.2 billion for what? Maybe 200 Ghana cities. Who do a pejam panta? 200 Ghana cities. Any aton body. Are you crazy? Move go Ghana. Move go forward. Please.
They could have even used
electoral commission for one
machine.
I'm a businessman, so I know when you call the price. Say 1.2 billion. A poor country like Ghana. $1.2 billion. And you see this? Are you mad?
Nigeria football won't hear them.
Please.
Alata.
And this is for Gambaka. What MPP is doing? When the man comes out to say what 1.2 billion? In how many years? 15. Now such a system this year with the software and hardware in here, what else do you need? It will cost you 1.2 billion. Sakwe mi kan hwase. O man assassin tin wo de man. Margins man assassin. Yes, me see margins on my Professor Tifa assassin.
No.
I challenge him.
No.
Me fear what yes. Me don't get through. Me say what I do to announce, I'll do to anybody. It's Ghana first. And I'm serving my country. I'm not serving any political party in this country. $1.2 billion? Are we crazy in this country? Now what the hell? That very day. What happened yesterday? The guy should have been sacked. Please.
Charlie, multimedia for 1 year t-shirt, man. Ghana first. Then you see that is how we can conscientize Ghanaians. The nationalism.
$1.2 billion.
Ghana first.
Man, the Kodua, I me feel Kumase appear in Kayema.
TV na ankasa no oye froster oye scammer na oso we business mugu na mebeka ni history kakra akire nkofo mu ne za waya akata boy o na 2023 November 27th 2023 ana akwa we timi wurawura ma no odi sika fa mu koje akonya bi e frɛ no Continue any amankrado of Achem assume. Now open Nidian Kasa Nidin the Kwasi Raingold. Kwasi Raingold we may say a maybe a tremble 7 years ago. Akwawe anasinya video so akwa scam abrofubi e the fake gold as scam abrofubi. Ama akwawe ko tie scam anasa any video no. Na the entire one pen before crash them ni say na najman we go dealer o Kumasi no kwati akwa we wo Dubai so we best scam abrofu bi na najman so ni abrofu no ba kwa di nkomo so we be ma no gold any gold chains ato okoya no akoto amponim on net na konya din de boadi amponim the third na boadi amponim the third adenti na the first no any second ni na no omunim nyansa na akwa we nkwa de onim nyansa etina na ajima che no no efiti wo a wono so investigation say na ajima say wo MPP ni no na akwa we ye na adwen say ordinary besi MPP so na de omni say abranche ya wotiwe ne papa kura wonim no maame no nipa wo kire ni say ne papa no woni ne kotena at the age of 21 no ne sa nipa na yesi ne papa no kro ofre ne stepfather no ne yire kro ne kodai intima we ni credibility tete minimum hawa wonya sa opportunity no a wodi beka MPP fo asem me say ne visa fraud case wadi frauding of was or do ombeko Australia wadi frauding of was or do ombeko Canada enye bini na minim se first no cocaine na no onom no egosu ye adwuma wo ni tirimo nti obie na no okasa anyhow. Upe one of the deportees omaba Ghana omo cause problem pa wo nkurase sama we kan enne onu timi ka se MPP aspirant nyina sankwas ni epo obi o sankwas wa brabom a wodi tete ewudisem abaji akonya te so a nka wo ye san wo kwasi rain of war rain gold ye fen kwasi rain gold ki ye san wo kwasi rain gold akofa wan bi na me anya me wanwa me ka je kwasi rain gold 2024 enkofo ye o madwene se akwa we suba anya fenti nko mu yi ne na asempabo atu na konya so no akwa we se akufo adu na techire wakodi wo nkwasi ase wakodi obi yire ni abetiwa wani atika obi yire ana abekwa no woni no bekwa akoda ni atiw ni ebeyi wo na asempabo a wo de be se akufo adu media natural there minim se akwa we wagimi minyana na mibe hu no timi hu video no meka se ye me wanwa na meboa mi anya me wanwa me ne wo ka se me se anas wo ni video so akwa we braibu ni nti anas amfa video na ama abonten kwasi abra akwa we wabopa wa broche wo de abagana ene wono anya no a wo ka se because aban we aye ne de ye se wo ye chairman of Ghana Commodity Exchange Board. Na wusha party we ya sa aban we ya watch now sebi on na man kwasi asem increase wo kromu awo because obi obedi boni bi esi ekotia ni bia na aban we ya man position yeti kromu a na room 6 lecturer one dey also ode ma ya ase ebeda ni yogurt aboni tata free ni say to eye room 6 ona jampo ni atam CEO position ni e de amano na wo kwasi press authority a yesi be ma nya adwuma ho ni de ya manko a ansoa di o se KOD ono papa panyina wo ba na funu nyina kyerɛ wo ya kodi 70 years na de 18 for ni 19 for na o musu miemi o munufu ya kwache wo de wo kokota na no so wo di blame na beto MPP for so kyerɛ mo de mo bo adwaman na MPP for na ehuna mane ansoa wo hwɛ nkɔfo a NDC fo am o appointment ebi ni bongo ideas dwuma be na akra we di wo kromu anya didi atem enye insult panyini be na bongo ideas oni na atem e wo kromu ha but NDC fo nya den entia no NDC fo enkwahye no enso makoma no ambassadorial position Kevin Taylor wan enu oni na atem wo kromu ha nanso what is obi agoka check Kevin Taylor say anase President John Mahama say onkasa check Kevin Taylor da. What is obi ka check President John Mahama say one kasa check Kevin Taylor ube lose election and I am fielder senyenya atwoma kwasi rain gold munyina kan kwasi asem say what is obi afra na ka jensa nana anaza abrante ensem a wo keka ni jakeka na ensem no emfa kwam na wukoji ohina konya yenkasa sa what is obi tunufo na enso abronye koye ni show a na kwase bia kotena radio so kwase bia kotena TV so se Dr. Baumia enkotu abronye fo na abronye start born bra na Dr. Baumia was starting the vice presidency abronye start kasa okromu ano na Dr. Baumia na nya vice president no ye enti senyenya atwom ene awudisem ni abronye baye ene nkofo otan no mo de tan Dr. Baumia enka abronye a platform ene Dr. Baumia ebo ebra ana enka ni Dr. Baumia ho ban ena me ne wo kasai enkwasi asem a ekoso ewo Kan City Media obi anka ho hwe enso se koka ekotena wuntumi no oka asem ba ko ba one bullet hwim na kiki wo mo enti wo hwe sin na de ekoso nyina no saa ayi akoya nanim tumi o kasai a wo frɛ no ho wɔ hene unqualified so obey wɔ hene si yakasi ye use criteria papa aya atimasuofo so omutu papa we because obi office obedi hene enche just 2023 enti November ye twa mu yai afa no wadi 2 years but mechanical criteria nkofo yira waje ebe 7 just 2 years ware 7 ni ye jaw ma wudi 10 years a ye nim de besi etimi nya me wanwa so okeka nkwati asem say because me sure say ebia either te tramo ni bi afa ni trim ana wasene fi cocaine ni bi amena afa ni trim because onya normal from 19 years and ne papa the acclaim father ni busa ni maami say who you sure say me ba ni sakwa we because as a character na ekuta akwa nkwasi asem anu odi no na papa no because papa ni character ntisa akwa we start friend who da chin yesi ma wo de wi wo sukum eni ma wo de wi wo ba bi okotena ye no enya abrabo we enya nwanwa because our track record be enye Tama boy we cast wo shi wi won yesi ne stepfather ne ka che ne ma me say menye sure say akura we me ba ntu pa yenko ye DNA maami na mfi no otam ne ba no odi dwane akwa we shi wi wo school e ma ye pamo no senya abrochire na sebi mpreduasa adwaman e de ne maami kopie ya ye de ne koya nka akwa we ye useless boy akwa we ye useless boy minim de ntia na akonya no kura wodi no enhye da nya wo hina akonyo eye kontinhine na wa address no ho sa wo sin otumfo na na piao Sadi akwa we address se wunim ni position obeka se woye traditional ayi o man hene kase akwa yinuru ba bia kontinhine no woye na kontinhine kura wa address se e dia na chesa akwa we nya froster yahu we bi because address se ya no atwa pictures no no de atira brofo no de fe gold ni namu we ya me no ka se make se o abrofo ba tira wo twi wo madi because wonya yes ade we no o trend pe no o magine di abrofo ni hu se o muka so wo hini bia ma wo munim se wo ye kontihini enkoso enti boni boy we de boni wo ni trima ankasa me from day one minim se onya correct but at this interview wo ye dear wafaniama akwana faniama watwiniama pa konimu enti no wati wo nyina no yesi oye business mugu mumusa mo se company be na wo kromu a wa kwa we din she oko register your friends Goldsmith company bi unim so wade obadi na she so wade obadi na correct na wonya criminal na zo be Goldsmith o te say jaba mudi wo mudi aye no akwa we kwasi ring gold me so wade obadi Eva Odro o sayidin na akwa we de koye enti akwa we de o kan pipi asema oni integrity ntinkan sese ye dey ye fi no ba asa ade no ya ye continuously na time no so awode ye no as ya bo ne pa ye kwa ye election mum na ofiri ya wa hye da pie na mi blemu anas sole wo so wo ye adwuma akromfo se wachi wo ma no waji wo musika wan yi wo mu video no akoyi kwasi na antachi video na ye no yi akwa we video nka continue kwa wo nya no wadi ye penkofo mo die wudi sem wo Ghana de ma ya nkura fa kwan bone so akwa we ani first obedi second uhwe nanim tuntum na uhwe dress ya wa dress ya as won na sabio wo ye ayi wo che hene the whole eastern region as won na yo hene pon ho chanya krono no opese wo de dress ni bwa Frost bia no mama ni post Frost bia na mudi na kosi akonya so no odi nkwasi asem kire nipa odi nkwasi na ka akwa we ni pedigree ban en wo wa ese muka chense we kontinue ne kra na kasami entia Dr. Bawumia de enko no presidency ne kra de onko enka Mahamadu Samira Bawumia en efo no aboa Samira Bawumia ko Ghana most beautiful woni wadamfo bi ekosise etranka mo kope lady na mo anya na ade ya mo be sponsor no aboa o zata na so ye go dila etu free TV3 say mo pese mo sponsor mo so no mo betima yi individuals no mo sponsor no mo wi ni busa se woni na damfo Kingsley Agyemang dia na na nkomo koye o Samira o enti from that day no o matan Samira be sine enti o bo Samira din no okasa na ne yam crash no adwaman no nim so betimi dia fa wo ene wabegyina esa aka Samira asem na emwa asa Ghana no nkofo ekopa Samira omo anya nyina omo na di emema na omo na di natem o omo konya platform bia gyina so a no omo di natem miwa okọ Ghana most beautiful no omo nyina